In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on lockdown mode on iOS 18. So with the new iOS 18, you can easily use the iPhone lockdown mode. So if I download this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to turn on lockdown mode on iPhone on iOS 18 is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on privacy and security. Now once you selected that, scroll down to the bottom of the page like this, then you should see security. Then under security, click on lockdown mode. Here you have option to turn on lockdown mode if your lockdown mode is turned off. In my own case, you can see the lockdown mode is turned off. Then click on it and tap turn on lockdown mode. You should see an information that says when iPhone is in lockdown mode, app, website, and feature will be strictly limited for security and some experiences will be completely unavailable. So this will work on the messages app, fixed time, web browsing, photos, device connection, wireless connectivity, and Apple services and profile. Now to turn on the lockdown mode on your iOS 18, all you need to do is tap turn on lockdown mode. Then you should see what that says turn on and restart. Lockdown mode require iPhone to restart. Go ahead and turn on lockdown mode. Then you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode. Then go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. Now, this is going to restart your iPhone to turn on the lockdown mode. Then you need to hang on for your iPhone to restart itself for the lockdown mode to be active. So that is it. Once your iPhone is restarted completely, then you'll be prompted to unlock your iPhone and type in your iPhone passcode. Then your iPhone is now in lockdown mode. You can also turn off the lockdown mode if you want to. So that's all you need to do to turn on lockdown mode on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.